This is the proposal presentation for the Urban Tree Asset Collection Maintenance for the City of Kawartha Lakes by the BranchIn team. My name is Allison Cook. I have a Bachelor's of Arts in History from the University of Ottawa, and I am currently a cartographic specialist GIS student at Fleming College.
Hi everyone. Thanks, Alison. I am Laura Jaimes. I am currently studying the Geographic Information System Application Specialist program. I have a degree in geology from the Universidad Industrial de Santander in Colombia. I have applied GIS in the exercise of my profession as a geologist and also working as a GIS for urban planning and environmental planning. I'm so excited to contribute to this project. Thank you.
I'm Emmanuel Ignatius. I hold a master's degree in geological technology and geoinformatics from Bharathidasan University, and I'm currently an application specialist student in the GIS program at Fleming College.
The purpose and scope of this project is the collection and future management of city-owned tree data. They are in need of a maintenance system to collect city-owned tree data and requests from the public. The scope is largely just ArcGIS online applications because they have a full Esri license. They need, within the Kawartha Lakes boundary, trees managed for efficiency, and they are requiring a public input as well as an employee input, and so that means that there will be two separate systems of collecting data, one geared more towards professionals in the field like arborists and one geared towards the public engagement. And then finally, they would require a presentation platform, also under an ArcGIS Esri licensing, like a dashboard or an enterprise system of some sort, meaning a visual representation of the collected tree data and the previous maintenance that has been done.
Okay, our study area corresponds directly with the jurisdiction of Kawartha Lakes, which is the area contained within the red polygon. The city of Kawartha Lakes is a unitary municipality in central Ontario with a population of approximately 79,000 inhabitants according to Statistics Canada, who will be the beneficiaries of this project. Kawartha Lakes is predominantly rural, and something interesting about it is Kawartha Lakes is the second largest single-tier municipality in Ontario by land area. That is why it has a postal code that encompasses several areas. That happened because it was amalgamated through a political merge of several municipalities and towns, including Victoria County and population centers such as Lindsay, Bobcaygeon, Fenelon Falls, Mimi, and Woodville. Geodesically, Kawartha Lake's UTM corresponds to UTM Zone 17N. Our client is the city of Kawartha Lakes, which is represented by James Hood, GIS specialist, along with another potential supervisor, and uh, who is currently in the hiring process. Overseen by Jen Johnson, a park and recreation manager. Okay, the city of Kawartha Lakes as a local government entity aims to enhance the management of its urban tree assets and trusts this valuable project to Fleming College postgraduate student, and we are grateful for the opportunity.
The client does not have an efficient way to collect and manage tree data. They do not have a current dataset of trees, implying that we have no data we can use in our project. Receiving and organizing requests from public is also a problem our solution needs to address.
Our planning and development system begins with creating surveys based on the database scheme that the client has provided, including fields like maintenance needed, tree species, height, diameter at breast height, things that will help arborists understand the tree more and help to maintain maintenance in the future. The next step after creating these surveys is to create an interface for the public and for the employees to use, such as an ArcGIS web map layered over with a dashboard or an experience builder website. And then along with that will be provided instructions on how to install into the Kawartha Lakes ArcGIS system online. So some of that includes database management. Some of this will include analysis, statistical and spatial, as well as a user-friendly interface to show all of this hard work and collected data that can be used to inform both employee and public of maintenance and ownership of trees in the Kawartha Lakes.
The resources and requirements for the successful creation and implementation of this project are broadly classified as follows. We, as the creators of the solution, need powerful computers with specifications necessary to use ArcGIS Pro 3.2 or higher. Our solutions are mostly based on Esri suite of applications, which requires us to have access to appropriate licensing. Navigating through AGOL or ArcGIS Online is to be considered a skill, as it enables us to create, share, and visualize maps, analyze and manage location-based data, and collaborate with others in real time. It is essential that we understand the functionality of all tiers in the three-tier architecture of the web, their interaction with each other, and how data moves between them. As a team, my colleagues and I need to ensure effective communication, diligence, and reliability to support each other in this technological endeavor. The end users include both employees at the City of Kawartha Lakes and the general public. It is mandatory that at least one person at CKL has functioning knowledge of GIS, AGOL, and web infrastructure, so that this person can hold administrative responsibilities and manage the solution after its implementation. Meanwhile, other employees only need to know how to use an appropriate application on their respective devices, mobile or desktop. The efficiency of this solution will rely heavily on the cooperation and collaboration of the employees of the City of Kawartha Lakes, especially of those in the field. The general public only need to know how to access the internet using a browser or any device of their choice. As mentioned earlier, our solutions being in Esri suite of applications requires our client also to have appropriate licensing for as many employees as required. Unless there's a new requirement that this solution does not fulfill, there is no particular strenuous maintenance necessary, only general governance. As with any technological feat, there is always a risk of data loss and mismanagement that can be overcome with suitable backup and mitigation measures.
For the execution of this project, we will be starting activities on May 6, 2024, which aligns with the beginning of spring term. and we will finish on June 21 with the presentation of the open house. The work schedule here is a link to connect with the detailed timeline. Um, in general, in general, tasks are carried out in parallel. For example, the reports and methodology will be finished in week 5, but we will work on them from the first day through records and logs of the activities that are being executed. Other tasks will go in phases, building on each other, as is the case of the tree inventory database, followed by second week the application deployment with its different components integrated. After week 5, only rest prepare the report to meet the program requirements, which will finally be presented during the open house presentation. What BranchIn is proposing is the process and technical guidelines to implement a solution for the management of tree resources of the city. The importance of this activity being carried out successfully will be reflected in the final user and beneficiaries who are the citizens of Cahuarta Lakes. Through the activities we have described, the city of Cahuarta Lakes will be provided with a web platform and mobile application to facilitate data collection of urban trees, consolidating our goal. That is why the team is called BranchIn, because will be the community and the municipality staff who will strengthen and make the project successful. We are waiting to see it. Thank you.